Hi, it's Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts Podcast. Welcome, and thank you for joining us today. This episode is Their Quotes and My Thoughts. I looked up some quotes on thoughts because I believe that they do have power in our life, and it is what we do with them that makes the difference. I looked at these quotes. I'm going to read these quotes and then give you my thoughts on the quotes. Eleanor Roosevelt said, "With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts." My thought on that? I want to be thankful for every day we are given and take opportunity to gain strength and positive changes from our thoughts. Confucius says, "The more man meditates upon good thoughts, the better will be his world and the world at large." My thought on that? We do have the ability to think on good thoughts by our choice. We can meditate on good things and speak them into our lives. We have that choice. And just having that choice is a blessing itself. Buddha says, "We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves." My thought? That thought provokes me into a challenge. A challenge of what am I thinking? If we can be shaped by our thoughts, and I do believe we can be, then I want to be concerned and focused. My focus should be, what am I allowing into my mind? Digesting and regurgitating in my mind, and consistently doing so will shape my life into beautiful things. Mark Twain says, "Drag your thoughts away from trouble, by the ears, by the heels, or any other way you can manage it." It almost sounds like he was pleading for us to do so because he knew that there was power. My thought on that? We can have troubling thoughts, fearful thoughts, anxious thoughts, and thoughts that are not good for our lives, moods, emotions, and mind. The challenge is to bring them into submission and cast away if they are not good for our life and do not reflect love, faith, joy, hope, peace, or an understanding what God may be doing in our life. The good news? We have the ability to cast away the negative. Gandhi says, "A man is but the product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes." My thought? Okay, wow. If I become and my life becomes the byproduct of my thoughts, I truly want to learn how to cast away negative and concentrate on positive. To me, God gives strength for us to do that. That as I consciously and deliberately make the choice to turn away and turn towards that strength. We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thoughts, and with our thoughts we make the world. It's a quote from Buddha. My thought? I have now, even just in this podcast, have quoted several different famous known people and the Bible, and many agree that what we think we become, and our lives become what we think. And thoughts are extremely powerful in our lives. They can be a life-changing force. That shows me that thoughts are something to be recognized, aware of, and a force to be reckoned with. Wayne Dyer says, "Be a force of love as often as you can, and turn away negative thoughts whenever you feel them surface." that indicates that we have power to turn them away. We have the ability to turn negative thoughts away. My thought on it is love is a universal language. It can be spoken with words and even more powerful with actions. Love heals. It touches the deepest parts within us and has the power to speak across the nations and be life-changing. We have the ability to show love, speak love, and put love into action. And last for today is Blaise Pascal. He quoted, "If we examine our thoughts, we shall find them always occupied with the past and the future." My thought, that's sad. I'm going to repeat the quote. If we examine our thoughts, we shall find them always occupied with the past and the future. Quoted by Blaise Pascal. It's sad if we truly examine our thoughts and find that what we are occupied is the past or the future. Come on, let's get that. What about the present? So let's think about that deeply. The very moment we are living in now, we're not concentrate on? Sadly enough, I think that's true. There's so much to soak in, enjoy, and be aware of in the moment. We are not promised tomorrow, and even the next moment. Let's take these quotes and allow them to transform our minds, thought, and life. Thank you for joining. Give me your thoughts and feedback. Have a wonderful day. Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts Podcast.